Go ahead. Go ahead. Again. Alright. New starter. VDelectrical.com. 2007 Ford Focus. Ford Focus. First thing we're gonna do, disconnect the negative on the battery. Okay. Woo. There's the starter. We're going to attempt to remove it from the bottom. I'm going to move some of these hoses out of the way. Got 2 bolts. One right here, one on the other side. Get this off of there. And then we'll slide it out this way. Over here, reinstall. So basically first I'm going to disconnect the power wires to the, or actually I'm gonna unbolt it and bring it out and then disconnect that so I can move it around. Alright, so we put the back end of the starter up through here first and snaked it through these hoses and wires into place. And I think it might be better to maybe to connect the wires first. I got these in place. I'm using a 13mm. I'm gonna tighten them simultaneously so we don't get one end off compared to the other end. So I did the top. Now I'm gonna do the bottom, and then we'll tighten them a little bit one after another until they're both tight and even. I'm going to go ahead and attach these wires. Probably better to take those nuts and crush washers off first. Okay, so as far as the conclusion, first you want to disconnect the battery, the negative terminal on the battery. Remove the 2 13mm studs, slide the starter motor over, disconnect the power wires. One is a 10mm, the other one is a 13, 12, something like that, I think. 12 or 13mm. And then you're going to want to do that in reverse. First you're going to want to connect the wires and then do the studs on the starter. And that's it, and it was all done from underneath. You don't have to remove all this. I recommend not doing that, but it's up to you. It's for entertainment purposes only. Thank you.